Welcome to the Englo Listening Podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am Zane. Our slogan is Listen, Learn, Speak English Confidently.
Today, we are exploring a very common and useful phrase, along with.
That is right. Along with simply means in addition to or together with. It is a fantastic way to connect two related ideas or objects in a sentence to make your speech flow better.
Let us hear it in a realistic business scenario. Welcome to the Tech Strategy Podcast. Today, we are analyzing the merger of the two giants.
That is right. We will examine the financial implications along with the cultural shifts expected in the workforce.
Notice how Zane used the phrase to add a second important topic to our discussion.
It sounds much more professional than just saying and over and over again.
We hope you found this helpful. Try to use along with in your next English conversation to describe two things happening together.
And do not forget to subscribe to the Englo Listening Podcast for more episodes. Until next time.